A paver, road paver finisher, asphalt finisher, road paving machine, is a piece of construction equipment used to lay asphalt concrete or Portland cement concrete on roads, bridges, parking lots and other such places. It lays the material flat and provides minor compaction. This is typically followed by final compaction by a road roller. A roller is a ride-on machine most commonly used during road construction, to compact the various layers of materials needed to build a road. Rollers can be used for other types of compaction, such as trash compaction or compaction for parks and fields. While there are various types of rollers, they are all generally defined by the build. They are the large, ride-on machine, not a handheld machine.